Business idea number one. Millions of business owners are struggling with daily repetitive tasks. They spend hours answering emails, managing schedules, and processing data. But artificial intelligence is completely changing how modern businesses operate. AI automation can handle customer support, workflow management, and analytics instantly. Small business owners are eager to adopt these tools to save time and money. Many traditional businesses still don't know how to implement AI properly. This creates a massive opportunity for automation, consultants, and service providers. AI tools allow a small team to deliver the output of a large agency. The demand for AI automation will only grow exponentially in the coming years. Business idea number two. Data is the new oil, but most companies don't know how to use it. Businesses collect huge amounts of customer and sales information every single day. Without proper analysis, this data remains completely useless to company leaders. Final data analytics helps businesses make smarter decisions and discover hidden profit margins. Companies are actively searching for experts who can transform raw numbers into actionable growth plans. Modern cloud computing and predictive dashboards have made deep analytics accessible to everyone. Analysts who can interpret customer trends are becoming essential for every industry. Mastering data analytics builds a resilient, future-proof career path. Let's move forward to the next high-value digital service. Business idea number three. A business without a digital footprint is completely invisible in today's economy. Thousands of traditional companies still rely on outdated, broken websites. Modern web development turns simple visitors into high-paying, loyal clients. Upgrading an online platform instantly elevates a brand's authority and market value. Corporate leaders are willing to pay top dollar for fast, high-converting digital storefronts. As online shopping and digital services expand, the demand for custom web development keeps soaring. Freelancers and agencies specialized in custom platforms enjoy recurring client retainer models. Building modern web platforms creates endless scalable revenue opportunities. Up next, an essential service for customer acquisition. Business idea number four. Social media has become the ultimate distribution channel for global brands. Creating high-quality, consistent content is one of the biggest challenges for business owners. Content strategists help businesses capture attention and build authority in crowded markets. Companies that post strategic media outperform their competitors by a landslide. Building active digital communities drives consistent, organic revenue and customer loyalty. Global brands launch massive advertising campaigns on digital platforms daily. Skilled content managers and media agencies command high monthly retainer fees. Content strategy is a multi-billion-dollar market that continues to grow exponentially. Let's transition to the key factor behind top-tier brands. Business idea number five. Every business depends on trust to grow, but building a trusted brand takes time and consistency. Businesses are willing to invest in branding and reputation. Strong branding helps companies stand out from competitors. Customers remember brands that create a professional image. As competition increases, branding becomes even more valuable. Skilled branding experts are becoming more valuable every year. This business has outstanding long-term potential. Let's continue with another profitable low-competition opportunity. Business idea number six. More companies are looking for ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Businesses need experts who can solve operational problems. Small improvements can save companies thousands of dollars. Companies gladly pay consultants for measurable results. Every growing business eventually faces operational challenges. The demand for experienced consultants continues to increase. This business can generate recurring long-term clients. As industries evolve, expert guidance becomes even more valuable. Let's move on to another fast-growing business opportunity. Business idea number seven. Businesses today are under constant pressure to improve customer experience. Companies that understand their customers grow much faster. Customer experience specialists help businesses increase loyalty and profits. Happy customers naturally recommend businesses to others. Better customer service creates long-term success. More businesses are investing heavily in customer satisfaction. This creates excellent opportunities for service professionals. The demand will continue growing for years to come. Now let's move to another business opportunity with enormous future potential. Business idea number 8. Around the world, businesses are rapidly shifting towards sustainable solutions. Governments and consumers increasingly support environmentally friendly businesses. This creates massive opportunities for entrepreneurs. Companies are investing billions into renewable technology. Businesses that reduce waste become more profitable. Sustainability is becoming a competitive advantage. Demand for sustainability experts continues to grow. This industry offers outstanding long-term potential. Now let's explore another rapidly growing business opportunity. Business idea number 9. Modern industries are rapidly adopting automation. Companies want to produce more while reducing operating costs. Automation experts help businesses increase productivity. Smart factories are becoming the future of manufacturing. Businesses investing in automation gain a competitive advantage. Demand for automation specialists continues to grow worldwide. This industry offers long-term growth opportunities. Businesses that embrace technology stay ahead of the competition. Let's continue with another exciting low-competition business opportunity. Business idea number 10. Healthcare and medical technology continue to expand every year. People are willing to invest in products and services that improve health and quality of life. Entrepreneurs who solve real health problems can build highly valuable businesses. Demand for innovation in healthcare will continue growing for decades. The biggest opportunities often appear before the market becomes crowded. Success belongs to those who act early and stay consistent. Every successful company started with one decision. Which business idea would you choose? If you found these ideas valuable, subscribe for more business insights and future opportunities.